Okay, today we've got this beautiful Grand Western Reserve Tomahawk Steak, 32 ounce. You can see the beautiful marbling on this steak. And with a piece of meat like this, you don't want to heavily sauce it. You don't want to put a lot of flavors on it to mask it. You want to treat this simply and let the flavors of the beef come through. So very simple. Sea salt, a liberal coating of sea salt. Rub that in a little bit. Let's flip this guy over. Salt on the other side. Let's go a little bit of extra virgin olive oil for a little bit of flavor. A little bit of lubrication. Let's rub that in a little bit. Look at how beautiful that is. That is one nice piece of meat. And we're ready for the grill. Let's turn this over. We've got some nice grill marks going on here. Let's get this back under. All right, let's come off and let this rest. Okay, so the tomahawk is off the fire. It's rested for 6 or 7 minutes. It's sitting at a perfect medium rare. We're going to go on a cast iron grill pan right here with a little roasted vegetables in the cast iron. So let's go ahead, plate this guy up. Nice rustic steak. Bon appetit.